Chris, back at it again. Full steam ahead, part 2. Are you ready? We're gonna try a new format this time.
What?
Switcheroo, switcherooski, switcheroo.
Chris!
Sorry. Hey guys, I'm Chris.
And I'm Julie.
And we are librarians! That was
Hey.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
How's it going to be different today, Chris?
Well, first, we don't have a kit this time, guys.
Okay, no kit.
You're gonna have to go to the store. You're gonna have to pick up a couple items.
Love it.
Second, we're gonna try to keep this moving fast. Light speed, pronto, arriba. We're gonna go, go, go.
Chris.
Yep.
I love it.
So, without further ado, let me try that again.
Okay. Chris, what is wrong with your voice?
I don't know what's wrong with your voice. So, without further ado, the supply list. You're gonna need 4 things. You're gonna need Mentos, Diet Coke, paper, tape, and your finger. I guess that's 5 things. Also, you can get a piece of cardboard too. You can find Mentos and Diet Coke at any large grocery store. You can also find it on an online retailer. Remember though, you will need more Diet Coke than you do Mentos because you run through the Diet Coke a lot quicker.
Awesome. All right, Chris, let's talk safety.
Safety's good.
Very important.
Yes.
This experiment is pretty safe, but it does get super messy.
Yep.
So make sure when you put the Mentos into the Diet Coke, you jump back
Get out
as
of the way.
quickly as you can.
Out of the way, guys. Hey, that sort of reminds me of a person I used to know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, a story. His name was One-Eyed Joe.
The coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hungered in the... I was just reading Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. A great book by Bill Martin. Oh, it was fantastic. Oh, but you wanted to know about what happened to my eye. Oh, I'll never forget it. It was 1982. And I was all day at the university in the language lab. No, it was the science lab. Just working and working and working until I got famished. Oh, I was so parched that I had to go out and get something to drink. And at the time, there was something called Diet Coke. It was fantastic. I had to get some of that. Mix it with my Mentos. It would be an experiment. I love to combine things. And so I went to the grocery store and I got the Mentos and the Diet Coke. And I went to my bench to try to fix it up. I sat down and I opened the bottle of Coke. I opened the Mentos. I put 1, 2, and boom! Oh, it was not option. It was all dark. Everything was sticky. When I came to, everything was blank. Oh, what is that? It is the bottle cap of the Diet Coke. I thought I lost my eye, but it was the bottle cap. I'm cured. I'm cured.
Oh my goodness. One-Eyed Joe?
Whoa.
That was wild.
That was a lot. I'm glad he's better.
Yeah, so obviously that was meant to be sort of funny, but with any science experiment, you definitely want to take safety especially serious. Joe didn't lose his eye, but with Mentos and Coke, it is going to explode up. So as soon as you drop the Mentos in, we want you to run back and watch it happen from as far as you can. We don't want your clothes getting ruined, and especially we don't want angry letters from your parents.
100%.
So Julie, you ready to do the experiment?
I'm ready. What else do we need?
So you guys have your paper ready, you have your tape, you need to make Mentos tube. The most important part of the Mentos tube is making sure it doesn't fit super snug. So when you drop the Mentos out into the Diet Coke, it wants to free fall. That way we get as many Mentos into the Coke as soon as possible.
Perfect.
Okay, here we go. Lauren, we're gonna try a different camera angle. Lauren, you know what to do. Oh, you know what to do, Lauren. Hey, Lauren. So, we have what we need. We have our Mentos tube, we have our Mentos, and we have our Diet Coke. So, before we start, this is an important part to get a helper. The reason we want a helper is the helper's gonna unscrew the cap to the Diet Coke, so that way we can get the Mentos into the Diet Coke as soon as possible.
This might not go over well.
All right, guys, let's see what happens. So I'm gonna first take the Mentos and put it into my Mentos tube. We're gonna go ahead and open it up.
I'm so
Pour 'em in.
excited.
You want to make sure your thumb is over the bottom because you don't want the Mentos to fall out. So let's go ahead and pour it in. Start off with 4 or 5, maybe even 6.
Oh,
Okay, shake them around a little bit. Make sure they're all even. We want them all to fall in and not get stuck and then flow everywhere. So, on the count of 3.
are you ready?
Are you ready, Julie?
Woo!
We're gonna do 3, 2, 1, and go. Julie's taking it off. I'm gonna put it over. Boom! Whoa! What? Hey,
That was awesome!
we have to do more. We have to do more. That was awesome! Oh my goodness! So many explosions!
Explain to me how that happened.
That's a good question, Julie. So the science is pretty straightforward. Inside Diet Coke is carbon dioxide. They fuse that in the liquid when they make this product. Well, when you drop a heavy Mentos into the liquid, that helps release carbon dioxide gas. It causes the bubbles to push the soda out of the top. The thing you don't know and the thing you can't see is that inside, on top of Mentos, are little divots. They're little pits. And those are called nucleation sites. Those are the perfect sites for carbon dioxide to explode and push up. So it's the perfect thing. These are heavy and they also have a rougher surface that you can't see with the eye. Pretty cool.
Pretty wild, man.
Oh.
Thank you so much, and thank you for joining us for this experiment. And tell us what you guys did with your experiment when you come and visit us at the library.
For sure, guys. Until next time, we'll see you on
Full steam ahead!